Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to get traffic and how to make $149 in commissions within 24 hours from starting now. That's right. If you do watch this video and you take action now, you can potentially make $149 plus within 24 hours, which means if you keep on repeating what I'm about to teach you, you can make this type of money every single day and then just increase and take it to the next level. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. If you want to learn how I made $117,482.99 with this one incredible system that's taking the internet by storm, then check out the links in the description box below this video. For any reason, if you can't find the links in the description box below this video, then what you can do is you could head over to this website address here that you're seeing on the screen. Okay, I just highlighted that part here. All right, you could just go to that website address and you will able to watch this video and take massive action. People are crushing it, okay, with this done for you system. I just found out about one member who made $2,900 in commissions yesterday in one day from this one incredible done for you system. Okay, so if you really want to take your internet business to the next level and you want to shortcut your path to multiple 5 figures a month, then check out the link. Click the link in the description box below this video. Watch this entire video because this is taking the internet by storm, and this one system has made me $117,000 in commissions from the comfort of my home with a simple laptop and an internet connection. And you can do this too. All right, so what you need to do, just click the link, check out the link in the description box below this video, and watch that video right to the end because you're going to get some huge bonuses as well. All right, and if you can't find the link, then here's the website address that you're seeing on the screen. Just go to this website address and you will be able to watch this video. So let's dive into this video. How can you make your first $149 in commissions within 24 hours from starting now? It's very simple, very easy. What you want to do is you want to come to this, okay? You want to come to this traffic source. Okay, let me just make this properly so you can see what I'm talking about here. This is a traffic source, all right, that you can come to and you can start buying traffic. This is a very top traffic network that people are sending email traffic to other people and building a list. Now if you join through my link, okay, which is this here, if you just head over to this website address that you're seeing on the screen, okay, you will able to register your free account. Okay, creating an account with this traffic network is free. Okay, so just go to this website address. Okay, when you go to this website address and you create your free account, you will able to email me, send me a message and ask me any question. You could also send me a link to your landing page to review it, so I could go ahead, review your landing page and give you some suggestion. Okay, so here's the website address to create your free account with this traffic network. Just go to this website address here and create your free account. And when you come to this website and you have created your free account, what you need to do is you need to go to this link here. Okay, I'm going to show you step by step how to find real buyers. Look at this, I've been buying traffic from this network as well, and you could see there's so many people who are providing quality email traffic and you can build a list. Okay, right now there are 176 members online. Okay, and these are the people. All right, you can see all these people driving traffic, getting referrals. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go to buy solos. Okay, all right, then you want to look down here. You could see down here that traffic from any country, all niches. If you don't want all niches, you could select which niche you're going to buy traffic from. So it's marketing, finance, health, mobile, social, crypto. Okay, I just keep it to all niches for now. Or if I want to select, I will probably select marketing because that's related to make money online. Okay, so make money online traffic. Okay, visitors minimum 100, got sale. You could change that, you could change everything from here, and it will spill out all the good results for you. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to find someone that seems to be good here. So I'm going to come here, okay, and I'm going to see if I could look for someone which I am ready to buy traffic. Okay, now remember, what is traffic? Traffic means a visitor to your website, to your affiliate link. Okay, so when you buy traffic, you either make money or you build a list. Now, a lot of people don't know what do you mean by list, eh? Okay, so I'm gonna show you. Okay, wait a moment. I've already spoke about this. It's a landing page that you have a simple landing page, okay? And on that simple landing page, you come, okay, and they opt in and they buy traffic. That's how simple this is, okay? Let me just go back because, okay. So just say I want to buy traffic from this person with 1,413 reviews. Let's just go here quickly and let's see what this has to offer. This guy is from Netherlands. Okay, 76 repeat buyers. Just hover your mouse and it will tell you exactly what this means. Hover your mouse here and it tell you exactly what this means. You want to come up with minimum 300 clicks, okay, and you could purchase up to 1,000 clicks. If I buy traffic from this person, I will able to actually, please select order the way you wish to place orders. Okay, not interested right now. Okay, and then you could see that you could buy repeated traffic for every single day. Okay, and then you want to scroll down and it gives you more details about this person, about this person's traffic. Okay, and then if you scroll down, you could see this is the main part that you're looking for. So you could see here today is the 20th May 2024. On the 15th May, got sale, got sale. You're looking for 5 different people reporting got sale in the last 30 days. Got sale, got sale. I think this guy, okay, wait a moment, wait a moment. All right, so check this out. Look at this, look at this, okay? Got sale 15 May, got sale 5 May, and got sale 30th April and got sale 21st April. That's 4 sales, okay? The 5th sale is on 13 April and got sales. We don't want to buy traffic from this person. We're looking for 5 different people reporting got sales in the last 30 days, okay? So we're going to look for someone else. Let's look at this person here. All right, so this person is from Latvia. Okay, he could deliver up to 500 clicks, I guess. It's 400 clicks. All right, and we could see that reporting. Okay, this guy's got very no. Wait a moment. Again, you could see got sale. The third got sale was on 13 April. Okay, so we just need to keep on doing our search. Let's just go for this person here. He's promoted. Okay, so we could see. So you want to scroll down, and if you want to buy traffic, let's just see got sale, got sale, got sale, got sale, got sale. All right, man, this guy's got some very good quality traffic because see now this person is the same person, so we're just gonna count this as one, okay, 2, 3, 4. All right, and I think this is gonna be a yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so 5 sales in the last 14 days. All right, so okay, let me probably got some more as well down here. Okay, very good solo. But after you seeing these 5 sales, you want to read some more comments to see what other people are saying. Okay, so you can see here it's got 1 negative here. What does it say? It's a great for you. I expected at least 1 sale minimum. All right, this comment doesn't count. Okay, some people have different type of mindset. This person probably don't have the right mindset. Okay, so it depends on the offer. It depends on a lot of factors. Okay, so if you want to buy traffic from this person, you could also send him a message, ask him a couple of questions. This guy's from Canada. Okay, member since for 8 years. So you want to start off with 300 clicks. You want to select prime filter, making sure you're getting quality traffic. And if you just generate one sale, then you want to go to 500 clicks, so sale again, then 750 clicks, and sale again, then you want to go to 1000 clicks. And you want to make sure that you have your tracking link in here. Okay, you want to track your clicks. I use ClickMagic. All my links are going to be in the description box below this video. If you still haven't created your free account with this traffic network, go to this website address here, create your free account, and then you could go through and see what people have to offer, and then you want to buy your traffic. And if you're getting a lot of value, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. All right, and if you have questions, just leave a comment for me, let me know. Share this video with the people you care. And if you want a shortcut path with a done for you system that could make you thousands and thousands of dollars in commissions every single month, then head over to this website address here. This one system has generated me over $117,000 in commissions. You could go to this right now, watch the video, take action. The quicker you do this, the quicker you will be on your way of making money online, setting up a real solid income business that could potentially change your life forever. Trust me, the person who created this system, he's my mentor. Once I connected with this guy, I have never ever looked back again. Okay, so this guy has created this incredible done for you system that's changing the lives of newbies and 100% beginners friendly. And I have made over $117,000 in commissions with this one system, one program, and other members are making money too. Like I said, one of the member made over $2,900 in commissions yesterday in one day alone. So if you want to learn more all about this, check out the links in the description box below this video. Okay, so that's all for now. If you still haven't created your free account with that traffic network, just go to this website address, create your free account, and then go through all these solos, see what they have to offer, and start buying traffic. Remember, persistent is the key to success. You need to create a never giving up attitude. You need to buy traffic over and over again. The magic number, in my opinion, is anywhere from 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers. That's when you start to make a lot of money. It depends on how quickly you get to 10,000 subscribers. Okay, so I just gave you a network where you can buy traffic and start getting money, start making sales within 24 hours.